Hi everyone, we're here at the Best Value Vacs testing laboratory today. This video is a short tutorial on how to hook up your vacuum cold traps. So right here we have the two-part cold trap piece. We have some GL14 barbs. We have our vacuum grease. This is Dow Corning. We're using a gum rubber vacuum hose, and we have our vacuum brand pump. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to grease our ground joints, as you do with anything. We're using our Dow Corning rated for negative 40 degrees Celsius. If your cold trap is rated for lower than that, you might want to get a more heavy duty vacuum grease, just so it holds up under temperatures. Make sure you get a good seal around that joint. Take this glove off. So now that your vacuum joints are all greased up, we're going to add this GL14 fitting to each one, and it comes with a bent barb. Some of them will be straight. I prefer to use the bent ones when you're going cold trap to cold trap. You can use a straight one when you're going to the pump or to your system. So the way that these cold traps are designed is that it goes through the top and then it goes down this dip tube. So after that, all your vapors will condense down here because it will be submerged in cold liquid, and then your vacuum pump will pull from up here, which will not take any vapors with it. So this is my third and final one. I'm going to make this one go straight to the vacuum, so that's why I'm using a straight barb here. So your vacuum pump, you can hook it straight up to the cold trap. And then when you're going cold trap to cold trap, it's easier to use short lengths of gum rubber and these bent barbs. So the top end of one cold trap goes to the bottom end of another, and it's going to go like that into a circle, assuming you have 3 cold traps. If you just have 2, this one will go to the system, or else you can put this third one in between that. If your fittings are very loose, you can use a hose clamp like this. Just put it around the barbed connection after the gum rubber is already on. So if I wanted to put a hose clamp on here, I'd put it like that and tighten it down. This will just make sure that your gum rubber doesn't fall off the barb while in use. So that's it. That's how you connect them. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching.